Would love for you to, just expand on that a little bit and kind of why we've implemented these confidence score aspects and certain stages when humans should be looped in.
Yeah, I mean, I think agentic AI in complex workflows and regulated spaces is very different than agentic AI on consumer applications or non-regulated verticals. I think when you look at agentic AI more broadly for non-regulated spaces or even consumer applications, you just want the AI agent to kind of do what it is that you want to do, like plan a travel itinerary from start to finish, right? It doesn't have to tell you what things it considered, what steps it took, why it took those steps. Like you frankly don't care. In these workflows that we touch, you do need that visibility. You do need that, basically audit trail. What do the AI agents consider? What context do they use? What decisions do they make? Why did they make them? And that's going to be important for internal compliance and external regulators. So trust is built up through that audit trail and that process documentation, which is like we lay out exactly all the things that the agent should do and where the guardrail should be in order for the work to get done in the way that the lender needs it to get done, right? So that open-ended AI agent doesn't work well in regulated spaces. You need an AI agent that's highly capable, trained in the way that the company operates, and then you need like guardrails to make sure it stays within the lanes that you've defined more or less. Now, it can have a lot of latitude within those lanes, so it can make an underwriting decision or underwriting recommendation, but it needs to go through the motion that the lending team normally goes through, right? So it's not doing anything that is, out of norm, that is not according to policy. It's not hallucinating along the way. These things are really important. This alignment between the AI agent on the work that gets done in these regular spaces, and that's like what agent flow is all about. It's like creating that alignment and then delivering that back in an agentic form with confidence scores, with like proper things escalated to a human when the human needs to get pulled in. And so that handling of edge cases, escalated items, this is pretty critical. Otherwise, the AI agent will work with the standard operating procedures that the lender uses to go as far into that process as possible.